Hi guys, Mark here from Phone Central. Just a quick message regarding the newly released jailbreak for the iPhone 3GS software version 3.0. This is a release by the guy called George Holtz, better known as GeoHot, one of the first iPhone unlockers. Now this application is called Purple Rain, and it is available to download now from www.purplerain.com. Now there's a different spelling, purple P-U-R-P-L-E, but rain R-A-1-N.com. Now it's a very fast download, and it's a very fast program to use. For those of you who've used Quick Pawn and tools like that, this is a different one. Now excuse me while I just restart the computer. I'm just going to show you my iPhone, which is running, and it is the iPhone 3G, and it is running software version, if you can see it on there, software version 3. Now what I would suggest obviously is back up your iPhone before you do anything, just in case anything does go wrong, and also go into your iTunes and edit preferences. The little box that says automatic updates, make sure that's not ticked, because what you don't want to happen is upgrade it accidentally to the 3.1 when it eventually is released, obviously out on beta now, but when it's eventually released through iTunes, you don't want to upgrade to that, because what we're being advised by GeoHot and of course the dev team is that they may not be supporting it. It may be one of those upgrades where again it alters the baseband and you cannot then unlock it, or it will be a long time before you could. So once you've done all that, go into this little site here. Let me just restart the computer. It's a bit of a lash up, this one, because it's just this come out, so it's a bit of a botched job, so I hope you can follow it all right. Go into this, like I say, www.purplerain.com. You'll be faced with this, the guy in the rain with his iPhone, and this box here. It's only available of course for download on Windows at the minute. We're running XP, but I think it does also work on Vista, should do. And once you have downloaded this, click the Windows and save, and that would obviously download it to your PC. It literally takes seconds. Then you can't really see it very well because it's a very dark purple icon. But obviously purplerain.exe. What you do is start your iTunes. Now I don't know whether that's essential, but I always like to do that. Start iTunes, connect your iPhone, then once all that's done, click on your purplerain.exe and run. Brings up this little box, says here make it rain. Once you've clicked on that, that will basically then install a different application. I'll show you that in a minute. When it's running through the sequence, it only takes a couple of minutes tops, and it will show you on your iPhone a picture of the man in the rain with his iPhone again. Once that's done, it will say to you done rebooting. It reboots your device. So then after that, disconnect it, go into your iPhone. You will see this here. It's called Freeze. It's basically just a white box that says Freeze. What you do is you click on that to run it. It'll bring up a white screen. At the top it will say Freeze. At the bottom it will say Install Cydia. Now click on that. It takes a few minutes to do. It brings up various boxes. It will say downloading, unpacking. Once it's finished, it will say cleaned and finish. Then what you need to do basically then is reboot your iPhone by of course turning it off and back on. Once that's done, you will be very pleased to see good old Cydia. Now when you first use Cydia, obviously it will run through the software, it installs the software, reboots, and then you can start using it. Now like I say, this is a beta version. I haven't come across any bugs yet, not to say that there isn't any, but so far so good. I've installed MXTube, which is I think the better version of the YouTube app, and I've also installed a ringtone. Not really done much on it yet, with it being so new, but I basically just wanted to do this just to show that it was actually working okay. So once you've done all that, then obviously it installs OpenSSH as well, which will let you connect with your PC wirelessly to access the files. All I use that for is to change the ringtones, the message tones, the calendar tones, and basically things like that. Now, I just want to run through again some points with you, because this is very new and it is use it at your own risk, but so far so good. It's available from Purple Rain, PURPLERA1N.com. Very, very simple, very, very easy. If you've got any comments, guys, or you want to get in touch with me about anything, you can do so at phonecentral@ymail.com. So basically that's it. Just a quick run through again. Download Purple Rain XE, connect your iPhone through iTunes, connect it up then to the Purple Rain by just clicking the Purple Rain XE. That will then detect your iPhone, run through the the jailbreaking sequence. Once that's done, click on the freeze icon on your iPhone and then install Cydia. Once that's done, reboot your iPhone, and yes, hopefully yours should be as good as mine. Now, thanks very, very much to GeoHot, George Holtz. Absolute superb. So far, so good. Thanks also to the dev team. I know they're just waiting at the minute because they want to. They don't want to give Apple a bit of a head start on fixing this problem. So, if I was you, get it done quick, because the problem may be solved by Apple. And I think that is about it. So, like I say, if you've got any comments, guys, phonecentral@ymail.com. This is Mark for Phone Central. Good night.